Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today we're diving into the power-packed world of pomegranate cereal, crispy cereal topped with vibrant pomegranate arils. Not only is it delicious, but it also delivers serious health benefits. Let's explore the top 10 reasons you'll want this in your morning routine. 1. Nutrient-dense energy. Pomegranate arils are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals like vitamins C, K, folate, potassium, and more. Adding them to cereal gives you clean energy plus essential nutrients. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. They're loaded with polyphenols like punicolagens, anthocyanins, and L-tannins, some of the strongest antioxidants around. This helps protect your cells from oxidative damage. 3. Heart health support. Studies show pomegranate compounds can reduce LDL cholesterol, increase HDL, improve blood pressure, and help prevent artery plaque buildup. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation contributes to many diseases. Regular intake of pomegranate can reduce inflammatory markers like CRP and interleukin-6. 5. Cognitive and brain protection. Compounds in pomegranate help shield neurons from oxidative stress, improving memory and cognitive function and possibly offering protection against conditions like Alzheimer's. 6. Joint and arthritis relief. In research, pomegranate extract reduced inflammation and pain in rheumatoid and osteoarthritis patients. 7. Digestive and gut wellness. With about 4 to 7 grams of fiber per cup of arils, pomegranate promotes digestion, regular bowel movements, and may act as a prebiotic for gut bacteria. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Despite its natural sugars, pomegranate improves insulin sensitivity and helps lower fasting glucose in people with type 2 diabetes. 9. Potential cancer defense. Early evidence indicates that pomegranate compounds may inhibit growth of prostate, breast, colon, and lung cancers in lab studies. 10. Skin glow and anti-aging. The antioxidants and vitamin C in pomegranate support collagen production, reduce wrinkles, protect from UV damage, and promote overall skin health. There you have it. Pomegranate cereal isn't just pretty to look at, it's a delicious way to supercharge your health. Try it tomorrow morning and feel the difference.